Hello, good evening, students. Let us try to understand the Fajan rules, right, student? So, dear student, if you talk about the Fajan rule, so Fajan rule is saying that is no ionic bond is 100% ionic. So, what is meaning of this, student? That is every ionic bond. It means that is every ionic bond have some covalent character, have some covalent character. This is the meaning, student. What they are saying, that is every ionic bond have some covalent character. Means no ionic bond is 100% ionic. Okay, means 100% transfer of electron is never taking place. Now, students, let us try to understand the point. That is, to understand the ionic bond, meaning of means transfer of electron is there. What kind of transfer of electron is there, student? Complete transfer of electron means electron is on only one atom. Electron is on only one atom. Covalent means what, student? Covalent sharing, no, between electron between the atoms. Meaning of that is, if you talk about the covalent, means that is sharing of electron is there, and that will be between the atoms. But ionic means transfer of electron will be there, and electron must be on the only one atom. Now what is there? Lithium plus is there, student. What lithium plus is there? Attracting the electron density of chlorine. So electron are coming in the center and developing the covalent character in ionic bond, known as polarization of anion. Now is greater the polarization, greater is the covalent character. Greater is the polarization, greater is the covalent. What is meaning of that, student? That is pulling of electron of anion, pulling of electron of anion towards the center. That is what is known as, student, that is covalent character, right? Now you try to understand meaning of polarization. Attraction of electron of anion by cation is called polarization. Attraction of electron of anion by cation is called polarization. What is polarizability, student? How easy the anion gets polarized, that is polarizability, or the tendency of anion to get polarized by cation is called its polarizability. So how easy any student, any anion is there, how it is coming to the positive charge. Okay, how easily it is the electron is coming like near the center of the two atom. That is what is known as polarization, student. The first rule is there, student, size of cation. Smaller the size of cation, more strongly it attract the outermost electron cloud of anion. That is electron of anion coming between the atoms and developing the covalent character. So decreasing order of polarizing power. Most polarizing power is lithium, then sodium, then potassium, rubidium. Because this is a small size, student, so it will attract the electron, anion electron more than the sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Which of the following is highest polarizing power? That is lithium, because of a small size. Size of anion which is going to polarized. Okay, so larger the anion, easily it gets polarized. That is electron of anion gets attracted towards cation. So more the covalent character. So you can see, student, decreasing order of polarizability. So I will polarize most easily because of large size of anion. So it will give the more covalent characters compound. Charge on cation. Greater the charge on cation, more strongly it attract the electron cloud of anion towards itself and develop more covalent character. So compared to aluminum, magnesium, sodium, aluminum is having more covalent character than, because of the 3+, increasing our polarizing power. Highest covalent character is found in CaF2, CaCl2, CaBr2, Ci2. So correct option is option number D. Larger anion easily get polarized, greater the covalent character. Next, CuCl is more covalent than the NaCl region. Pseudo inert gas configuration, okay, means more effective nuclear charge, more polarizing power, and more covalent character. But if you talk about the NaCl, it is less covalent character because it has the normal electronic configuration. LiCl is more soluble in pyridine than H2O region. LiCl and pyridine is covalent compound, student. This is the covalent compound. So what is happening, student? LiCl is also covalent. Why it is covalent, student? Smaller cation is smaller size, capable to polarize anion largely, so more covalent character, so soluble in organic solvent like dissolve, dissolve like. This is the principle. Next one, student, if you talk about that, among LiCl, BeCl2, PeClC, ClCl4 covalent character in increasing order. So this is the increasing order of covalent character. What is the reason? Size of cation decreases, large charge on anion increases, polarizing power increases, so covalent character also increases. Next one, which is highly soluble in water, K2CO3 or CaCO3. So we apply like dissolve like rule, student. So K2CO3 large cation, so smaller charge than Ca, so more ionic character, but small cation more charge, so more polarizing power, so more covalent characters and soluble in organic solvent, and this is soluble in water. So this is our answer. Which is having highest thermal stability? Thermal stability is proportional to ionic character. KCl, CaCl2, CaO, MgO, CCl and CaCl2. So our answer is first one, CaC. If you talk about that is this one, if you are explaining, student, in this case, okay, KCl is more ionic because only one positive charge, here is plus two charge and in smaller size, so it is the covalent, okay, and this is ionic. And here is also, if you talk about Ca, so Ca is larger size, student, this is the covalent, okay, and this will be the ionic, this is ionic. So that is what our answer is, student. Hence KCl and CO are more soluble, okay, more stable because of ionic character. Arrange the following increasing order of ionic character: LiF, BeF2 and BF3. So large cation, smaller charge density, more ionic character. So what is that is increasing order of ionic character? LiF is ionic, but BeF2 and BF3 are covalent. So this is our required answer. Thank you so much for watching, dear student. If you find this video little bit helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, student. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.